Hey guys, welcome to Car Guy 1999 Reviews. Today, courtesy of Aston Martin of Boston, we're driving one of my all-time dream cars. Not 100% sure on the year. So, this is the Aston Martin Vanquish. I can't process the fact that I'm actually driving one of these. So, oh, I'm an idiot. I'm doing it by new. I need to go to used. 2014 Vanquish. Awesome. Skyfall silver over obsidian black. What a car. Sorry about that. So this is your crystal key, I do believe. I can't process the fact that I'm driving a car like this. Now, go ahead and pop the hood. I mean, just look at this spec, by the way. Has to be a pull tab somewhere. There we go. It's this little pull tab. Oh, hand built in England. Oh, that's warm. 6-liter V12. What a thing. What a thing. And you can also see the doors go up at an angle. I'm like holding this with my life. Oh. Whew. And you are in. Start it, foot on brake. I think I put the e-brake on. So yeah, to make it easier to get in and out, set the e-brake, it falls down, because if it was up in the air, it would be hard to get in and out. So you release and push down. It's a pretty smart idea. Do have back seats. Alcantara. I have to like breathe in and breathe out, because this has been a dream car of mine for years. And the fact that I'm driving one, I can't process it. And so far, this is my favorite Aston Martin I've ever driven. This was the flagship back in 2014. Of course, we had the Vulcan that came in, I think, 2016. But this was the top of the line. Of course, I think you had the Vanquish S. But who needs an S? You have a 6-liter V12 under the hood. What's kind of funny is you have baffles in the exhaust, and they open up exactly at 2,500 RPM. So you can be kind of cruising around. The second you hit 2,500, it opens up, and it's pretty funny to see some reactions from people. They're like, la-di-da-di-da, hey, what's making that noise? And what a noise it is. V12s make the best noise ever. I guess they also open up with based on throttle input too, because there it was under 2,500 and it opened up. Oh, what a sound. I've never expected to drive one of these. I've always wanted to. God, am I happy I'm driving one. I can't explain the emotional feel of this car. Over camera, you're not gonna get it. This is what Aston Martin is about. I think when the time this car was at least designed, the motto was power, beauty, soul. And God, what a soul. You put this engine in a talent show and it's gonna win best voice. It's plain and simple. I don't know why they include a sound system in this car. Well, I have yet to drive the new DBS Superleggera. I can only imagine what that thing's like. My God! I can't process this thing. There's no words that can describe the emotional feel behind the wheel of this car. There are no words on the planet Earth that I can use to describe this thing. This car is one of my favorite cars I've ever driven. It's that good. And I'm not saying that just to say it. This car is that good. You have to breathe. Sometimes I forget, to breathe. I'll go out this way. Thank you so much for watching. Please like, share, subscribe. I'll see you all in the next one.